2014 Chevrolet Cruze LT, one owner. This is a hail special car, so it does have hail damage. Lots of very small minor dents, but there are lots of them. It's hard for it to come across in the video. I'm sure you can see some ripples there, but they are there. It's like a dark gray color. You got the hail damage on the hood, the roof, the rear deck lid. Aluminum wheels, 71,000 miles. Factory warranty until next May or 100,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Black cloth interior. This vehicle has not gone through detail yet. It still needs to be cleaned. So hopefully by the time you see it, it will have been. CD player, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission with traction control and stability control. Cruise control on the steering wheel, tilt and telescoping wheel so it goes in and out, up and down. Nice big back seat, side impact airbags, back seats fold down flat. Nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.